In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create different reports in Jotform, all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit jotform.com. Once you're on the sign-in page, you have a few options. You can either log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, simply use your email address and password to sign in. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Jotform dashboard. To start working on your reports, navigate to My Forms and then click on My Reports. This section is dedicated to all the reports you can create from your collected form data. You can also find the My Reports section from the drop-down menu, conveniently located beside the Jotform logo. It's designed to make accessing your reports quick and straightforward. Now on the My Reports page, you'll see an option to create report. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a variety of report building options. To truly harness the power of Jotform's reporting capabilities, choose the Visual Report Builder. This tool offers a user-friendly interface for creating detailed and visually appealing reports. With the Visual Report Builder, you can integrate charts, tables, and various other elements to make your data stand out. It's perfect for those needing professional-grade reports with a visual flair. But if you're looking for something more data-centric, Jotform also allows you to generate reports in Excel format. This is ideal for those who prefer working with spreadsheet data, whether for further analysis or presentation. Beyond these, Jotform provides additional report formats like HTML tables, grid listings, CSVs, RSS listings, or even calendar views. These options ensure that no matter your reporting needs, Jotform has you covered. It's flexible enough to cater to a variety of reporting styles and preferences. Next, you'll want to select a form. Jotform makes it easy by allowing you to choose from any existing form you have to generate a report from its submission data. This is where you can see the powerful insights Jotform provides from data you've gathered over time. If you have external data you'd like to incorporate, Jotform offers an import data feature. Simply upload Excel or CSV files, and you can utilize the report builder to create comprehensive reports integrating this information. Before wrapping up, it's always a good idea to preview your report. Jotform lets you do this effortlessly, helping you catch any oversights or errors before you finalize your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your report, you can share it in multiple ways. Jotform provides options to send links, embed the report on a web page, or download it directly to share as you see fit. This flexibility ensures that your reports can reach the right audience in the format that works best for them. And that's it. You've mastered the basics of creating different reports in Jotform. Whether it's for work presentations, school projects, or personal use, Jotform's tools make report creation simple and effective. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to explore all the features Jotform has to offer and make the most out of your data insights.